Take bread loaf. Cut into pieces as shown. Take 2 garlics. Cut top of the garlic as shown. Put some oil on it. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Squeeze it. Smash it. Butter, 1/4 cup. Cheese, 1/4 cup. Pink salt, 1/2 tsp. Black pepper, 1/2 tsp. Chicken powder, 1/2 tsp. Mix it. Coriander leaves, oregano leaves, 1/2 tsp. Combine it well. Grease the bowl. Apply paste on bread. Grate some mozzarella cheese. Bake it in preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle some oregano leaves.